have this gorgeous mica pigment resin mix left from another resin project, and I know exactly what I'm going to do with it. This is my canvas, and my inspiration is this clear moonlit sky which I saw the other night. This rich blue color and the black mica pigment resin are a perfect fit for this full moon landscape. I'm making sure that the base is covered properly. I will let the resin curing process do its magic and create the outline of the horizon. I have just a little of this white mica pigment mixed in resin, and it is enough to create the aura of the moon. This moon is looking fabulous, but I know that this clear outline will get blurry as it cures. After curing, the moon aura has dispersed in the blue better than I expected. It's awesome. The back looks well composed, and look at this cool hilly terrain effect made by the black color. I want to use these pine forest stickers and these moon stickers to complete the scene. I'm going to cut them out and get them ready for application. The pine trees will dot the hill, and the moon will be positioned here. My scenery is dry and ready for doming, but these trees are not really doing that well with the night scenery. I feel the outline is clashing with the background. Let's make them a little darker. No, I'm not liking this look. This is probably better suited for a snowy scene. The trees will have to go. This tree is more blue and doesn't have a white silhouette. Maybe it'll blend better with the background. It seems to have blended too well. It is invisible. I'm glad the trees didn't work out. The outline of the hill and the reindeer jumping over it is already magical in its simplicity. I'm adding some black stone chips to add some weight to the silhouette of the hill so that it is a little less translucent and more rocky. for some stars to complete the scene. This piece seems to have bent a little because of curing in multiple layers. The stars look suspended and is giving this composition a 3D look. There's a little fringe which will be sanded off when I level this curve in the front with doming. Here you can see how much I need to sand. I will keep sanding in little bursts and keep checking the profile till I reach a stage when I'm ready to dome the piece and have it ready for final assembly. Since the back is curved, it is rocking to and fro and messing with the surface level. So I need to stabilize it a bit to make it level properly. Adding the keyring without the jump ring was not a good idea. I was going for a minimal look and was trying to eliminate the element of the jump ring, but I ended up damaging the keyring instead. I don't think this will ever spring back to its original shape. And I also scratched my precious work of art. In my second attempt, I'm using 2 jump rings and a lobster clasp. My magical charm is ready. The black stones and the stars are looking fantastic. The back is an abstract composition complete in itself. It is slightly translucent and look, the light shines through it. Look at Rudolph taking a night off after a hectic holiday season. Every time I zip up my bag, I can't help but smile at this little charm. It reminds me how important it is to take a leap of faith, just like Rudolph. Never stop dreaming and reach for those stars. Hope you enjoyed this video. Have a wonderful day.